Hey everyone, welcome to the vid. Really glad you're here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Thor node. If you have been thinking of setting up a Thor node, you've probably been keeping an eye on the price of Thor, and you might have noticed that it's been going lower and lower and lower recently. So at the end of the video, I'm going to explain to you what's going on with this price, why this is happening, potentially when might be a good time to buy, and also what I think is going to happen to the price of Thor in the future. Before I dive into it, I'm assuming two things. One of them is that you already have MetaMask set up, and the second one is that you already have access to a crypto exchange where you can actually buy cryptocurrency. There are three main steps to buying a node. The first one is to buy Avalanche. The second one is to exchange that Avalanche into the Thor token. And the third one is to go to the Thor app to actually create your node. Let's go to step one, which is buying the Avalanche. So how do you even know how much Avalanche to buy? Well, you need to think about the node that you want, and that will tell you how much Thor it is. Let's say you want to buy a Thor node, that's 12.5 Thor. We need to buy enough Avalanche to exchange for Thor tokens. You do that on a website called traderjoexyz.com. You'll be brought to this home page and you want to click on trade. This is where we swap Avalanche for Thor. So you click on the bottom one and type in Thor. A Thor node is 12.5 Thor, so you type in 12.5 and that's telling you you need 26.17 Avalanche. Remember, you always need to buy a little bit of extra Avalanche because there are gas fees. So let's just say it's 26.5. That's more than enough. 26.5 Avalanche is going to cost you around 1,800. So now you've been on Binance, you've bought the Avalanche, you've sent it to your MetaMask. Now you're ready to swap for Thor. What you need to do first is to connect your wallet. My wallet's connected now and it's saying insufficient AVAX balance, but yours won't. Yours will say swap now. So you click that, you follow the prompts, and boom, now you've got Thor, which has been added to your MetaMask. Now we go to the Thor website and create your node. So it says choose a warrior to fight your rewards. We want to choose a Thor. Please approve the contract before creating a node if this is your first interaction with Thor. For me, this is a different wallet, so this is my first interaction. So all you do is click approve contract. This will bring up your MetaMask, basically saying, do you want to approve this contract? And you just click yes. Now you've approved the contract, you can create your node. And if you want to be absolutely sure what node it is you're creating, you can see here it says active warrior Thor. So that's the node that you'll create. Then you just name your node. Once you've typed it in, this create node button won't be grayed out. You literally just click on that and boom, you've created your node. So then you can sit back like everyone else and just wait for the passive income to start rolling in. There's been a lot of talk about, well, what the heck is going on with the price of Thor? What is actually happening right now is all the Odin holders, all the whales of Thor are actually cashing out now because they've reached return of token, which was the old reward structure. So now they only have a 1% tax they have to pay. Once the 8th of February comes in, that's when the new structures come in for the Odins, and then they're going to have to pay a 20% tax. So obviously, all they're doing right now is cashing out all of their tokens. So when's a good time to buy? Well, maybe now. Maybe more Odins are going to keep pumping Thor into the market and the price is going to go even lower. It's really up to you. This isn't financial advice. Do your own diligence, but the chances are that the price of Thor is going to go up just because of all the hundreds and hundreds of things that they're thinking of doing with the Thor token, like having an NFT marketplace and changing nodes to NFTs and having Thor as an actual currency and all this type of stuff. So there is a lot of utility, which is most likely going to drive the price up. None of that has been announced yet. You know, there's no details about any of that yet. So my friends, I hope this has been useful to you and now you understand how to actually buy a node. And if you do have any questions or if there's something that I haven't covered, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my absolute best to answer them as soon as possible. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.